This organizer snaps together with no glue and no screws, just laser-cut plywood locks. Most plywood organizers rely on glue. This makes them difficult to assemble. I wanted a cleaner solution, a fully mechanical design that locks together by itself. The parts are cut from 4mm plywood using a laser. Each piece includes small locking joints designed to snap into place. In theory, everything should assemble without tools. Before assembly, I applied a light oil finish. It protects the wood and brings out the grain. Now it's time to test the idea. The pieces slide together, and the locks hold surprisingly well. But the real test starts when the organizer meets the desk. After a few minutes of use, several problems appeared. The cable holes are inconvenient for lifting the smartphone. The phone stand sat too low, bending the charging cable. And the organizer wasn't stable enough. Clearly, the design needed a second version. Back to the model. In FreeCAD, I changed the cable channel, raised the phone stand, and adjusted the base for better stability. Time for another cut. The updated parts snap together just like before, but this time everything fits better. The base has become more stable, and the phone stand is located at the right height. Version 2 works much better. The organizer holds the phone, cables, and desk essentials without glue or hardware. A simple mechanical design made entirely from laser-cut plywood. If you'd like to build your own version, the blueprint is available in the shop. Link below. Subscribe to follow future designs and experiments.